Camacho-Quinn, Anderson, Tapper, and Charlton take a stellar field in the 100 meters hurdles at the National Van Damme meet in Brussels, Belgium on Friday, September 2nd. The women's 100 meters have been one of the most dominant events on the Wanda Diamond League circuit this season, with the Caribbean having quite a huge presence in the event, with the Jamaican trio of Danielle Williams, Megan Tapper, and Britany Anderson. Puerto Rico's Jasmine Camacho-Quinn and Devynne Charlton of the Bahamas, with Jasmine Camacho-Quinn being the most dominant athlete on the circuit. This race can be deemed as an unpredictable one, as athletes are oftentimes prone to clattering hurdles or losing momentum, which throws them off their race patterns. The World Championships in Eugene, Oregon was shaping up to be a Caribbean win, with Jasmine Camacho-Quinn being the overwhelming favorite, until out of nowhere Jamaican-coached runner Tobi Amusan of Nigeria broke the world record in her semi-final. The Lassina Golding Clark coached athlete ran an unbelievable time of 12.12 seconds. Tobi Amusan then went on to win the final in a wind-aided 12.06 seconds to win ahead of Anderson and Camacho-Quinn in second and third respectively. Both were credited with the same time of 12.23 seconds. Since then, Amusan went on to win the Commonwealth Games title, with Camacho-Quinn able to win ahead of her, while Britany Anderson took 5th at the Athletissima Diamond League in Lausanne, Switzerland. Now the Olympic champion, Jasmine Camacho-Quinn, will look forward to continuing her undefeated Diamond League season, as she will look to battle with World Championship silver medalist Britany Anderson, Olympic bronze medalist Megan Tapper, and Commonwealth Games silver medalist Devynne Charlton. All 4 women are expected to face off with former world record holder Kendra Harrison of the United States. This race is still expected to be quite a fiery one, and the 1986 12.42 seconds meet record held by Bulgaria's Jordanka Donkova is under threat. With the event being such a fiery one, all athletes are expected to show up and challenge for the top spot in this penultimate Diamond League meet of the season, as they will earn points for the final in Zurich, Switzerland between September 7th and 8th. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell for our next video. Until next time, this is J-irie Caribbean.